That's really loud for just this cabin truck, man.
Oh yeah.
Really good. That's like, you're doing like mid-50s on music, solid. Fire it down to what, 0.3?
No, 0.17.
0.1? I'm back. So what's your name, man, and what's in here, man?
River Law, I got 4 level 5 DC 15s, and then a DC 10K, 2 Cyber 12Ks, and then 2 370 amp alternators.
Ah, you got really good electrical. What is it wired to on the amp?
Right now 0.7.
0.7, okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Did you ever get it metered?
Yes, I did. I metered yesterday at 158.4.
Wow, nice. That's good.
But that's when I wired down.
Yeah. So you could demo at 0.7 and then you wire it down to what, 0.3?
Nah, 0.17.
0.1? As long as you roll in and you do just burp.
Yeah, really slow, yeah.
You just have to, yeah. It's a beefy good amp then, man. Did you get the clamp power out of it when you did that?
Yeah, I did 11K.
Wow.
Yeah, it's 55 at 28, but I need 35. But that's just 5K.
Yeah, that's about
clamp. Yeah.
That's with at 0.7.
0.7, yeah,
okay.
I rise to 3.7.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man.
So you see why I'm at 0.17?
Yeah.
And it helps.
You might eventually. Have you ever tried doing 2 amps instead of 1?
No, I'm gonna get another DC 10K.
Okay. Yeah.
And that'll help a lot.
Yeah. Nice work. Roof looks good too, man. That's pretty cool how that's designed.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm gonna go check under the hood and I see your amp there. Appreciate it, man. Whoa. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a River Law system he was showcasing at Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase show. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment what you like about his system. I like the layout of the box to optimize cone area subwoofer, and he has the port on the driver's side, so all the pressure was going on me, the passenger, while I got the demo. And him being wired down so low on the impedance gave all the power juice to these subs. So you got to stay tuned. A 3-minute demo he gave me, got a really good bit of outside flex and inside flex of this system, and it was seeing the door seemed like it was breaking apart. So if you notice the way he has his amplifier rack mounted in his battery bank and lithium and wire ran is really nice and clean, and whenever he has his seats back, it actually shows nothing. So it's kind of hidden well, and having the subwoofers up with the port up seems to be most optimal for this style of system in a truck. So anybody running a truck system, let us know some feedback on what's the most optimal way to get loud in a truck. So 10,000 watts on 4 15-inch subs, definitely one of the top 3 loudest truck systems I've ever heard to date. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for daily audio videos coming your way every day on JacobViral, and enjoy this crazy demo. just this cab and truck, man.
Oh yeah.
Really good. That's like, you're doing like mid-50s on music, solid.
Yeah, it's 55 at 28, but at peak 35. But that's just 5K.
Yeah, that's about
yeah.
That's with at 0.7.
0.7, yeah,
okay.
'cause I rise to 3.7.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man.
So you see why I'm at 0.17?
Yeah.
And it helps.
You might eventually. Have you ever tried doing 2 amps instead of 1?
No, I'm gonna get another DC 10K.
Okay. Yeah.
And that'll help a lot.
Yeah. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, River.
Yeah, man.
Nice work.